Are you tired of scrolling endlessly through a cluttered Google Drive? Today, I'm going to show you how to keep your Google Drive organized in just a few simple steps. A neat digital workspace not only makes finding files effortless, but also boosts your productivity and keeps your workflow smooth. To start, open Google Drive by clicking the Google Apps icon, the little grid of dots in the top right corner of your browser, and select Drive. This is where your journey to a cleaner, more organized Drive begins. The first step is creating folders. Think in broad categories like work, personal, or projects. This gives your Drive a solid foundation, making it much easier to locate files when you need them. But don't stop there. Go a step further with subfolders. For instance, within your work folder, create subfolders for specific projects or clients. This creates a hierarchy tailored to your needs, keeping everything structured and accessible. One of the most underrated features in Google Drive is starring files and folders. Use it to mark important or frequently accessed items. Starring them gives you instant access from the starred section, saving you time and frustration. Next, let's make your Drive visually organized with color coding. Assign different colors to folders based on category or priority. This simple step makes it easy to spot what you're looking for at a glance and adds a splash of clarity to your workspace. A tidy Drive doesn't stay tidy without regular maintenance. Set aside time weekly or monthly for cleanups, move outdated files to the trash, and delete what you no longer need. Regular cleanups prevent clutter from piling up and keep your Drive running efficiently. If you work with a lot of shared files, consolidate them into My Drive. This gives you a sense of control over shared content and makes everything easier to manage. By following these steps, folders, subfolders, starring, color coding regular cleanups, and consolidating shared files, you'll transform your Google Drive into a highly organized, stress-free digital workspace. Remember, a clean Drive is a happy Drive. Take the time now to organize, and you'll save countless hours later. Thanks for watching. And here's to keeping our digital spaces neat and productive.